Hello guys, let's talk today about the best SD card for the VIOFO A119, and it's also a good card for the VIOFO A139 Pro. Okay, I have both of them here, and I'm using this Sandisk Extreme, which is pretty good. I got the version with 128 gigabytes, so I can record for a long period of time, and it's working pretty well. Okay, the thing here is that the card works with fast speed, as you can see here. It's 90 megabytes per second for recording. So that's the idea. The camera needs to record pretty fast because it's a high resolution, right? 4K, for example, here, it's a high resolution. Then you need to record fast into the card, and this one works pretty fine. You also have the option for VIOFO's card, but if you wanna go to Amazon, you can find there the VIOFO's, and sometime you can find the Sandisk Extreme. It's pretty easy to find there. So I'll leave the link here in the description, okay, for this SD card that works pretty fine with the VIOFO's camera.